Check out this spread of cookies in front of me. They range from 1 tablespoon of dough all the way up to 1 cup of dough. They contain identical ingredients and they're all baked in the same oven at the same temperature for the same amount of time. But just check out how different they are on the inside. This 1 tablespoon cookie is dry all the way through. On the other hand, this 1 cup cookie is completely raw at the center. The sweet spot is 3 tablespoons, where the edges are crisp and the center is chewy. There are lots of ways to control cookie texture, including changing the amount of sugar, the number of eggs, or even how you incorporate the butter. But the easiest way is just changing cookie size. Want something drier and crunchier? Go smaller. Want a cookie with crispy edges and a fudgier center? Go bigger. And if you really just want raw cookie dough with a crispy rim, grab that 1 cup measure.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.